Has this ever happened to you? If you've ever traded crypto, you know how easy it is to straight up gamble after a few losses. Most of you, me included, know that trading is a lot about risk management and psychology, but 90% of people still struggle to handle a losing streak. So in this video, I'll show you a cool trick to enforce your risk management rules, because self-discipline always fails in the end unless you can make it a habit. This tool has helped me during losing streaks, but you need to ask yourself the following: how much am I willing to lose a day? And how many losses am I allowed to have? And what's the total amount of trades I'm allowed to take? Now, you may already know what you are allowed to lose, like 2% per day, but many of us fail to adhere to that. Well, now you don't have to worry about gambling anymore, because with tiger.trade you can enforce those risk management rules. tiger.trade is a free trading terminal, and on the screen you can see a screenshot of which exchanges you can use. Don't worry, right now tiger.trade is free to use for crypto traders. They also have cool features like volume profile and footprint chart, which may increase your edge even more. You log in with your API key like any other trading terminal, but don't forget to enable internal positions or it might not work. The feature that may save your trading journey is called limits. I still recommend having your exchange open in a browser in case you need to see what trade size you need to take and which market you want to trade. But if you have a history of increasing the leverage to revenge trade, make sure to log out and just use a calculator instead. This is the limit feature. As you can see, there is a handful of options. You can have custom settings for every asset, or just have one global one by leaving those two fields empty. I think the settings you have to set are day loss and loss trades. The other are up to you. For a scalper, having a total trade and loss sequence limit may not be a good idea, since they usually take many trades, but it of course depends on your trading style. Another thing that has helped me is only trading from tiger.trade, because these limits will only work with the terminal open. So you may have to delete your exchange from your phone if you open trades from your phone. If you want to look at how your position is doing, just put the long or short position object on your chart in TradingView. That way you can see how it's doing from the TradingView app. Keep in mind that if you already put stop loss and take profit, you don't need to look at your position. Now, let me just show you what it looks like when one of your risk limits has been breached. As you can see, I made a total trade limit, because then I don't need to take a big loss. Here you can see there is a total trade limit of 3. Now watch what happens when I try and open my 4th trade. As you can see, it won't let me trade. Another tip is to enable password on your risk settings. I recommend creating one in a password manager and saving it there as a note itself or note in the tiger.trade login. This way even you won't be able to remove your risk limits easily. This brings us to the end of this video. Let me know if you've had problems sticking to your rule and if you decide to test out tiger.trade.